Differences between astrology and astronomy. Astrology and astronomy are two sciences that study celestial bodies, but their goals and methods are different. Astronomy deals with the scientific study of stars, planets, comets, and other celestial objects. Astrology is based on attempts to predict the fate and behavior of people based on the location of celestial bodies. Astronomy is the science that studies the movement, structure, and physical properties of celestial bodies. Astrology is a system that attempts to explain the influence of celestial bodies on people's lives. Astronomy originated in ancient Greece and was closely related to astrology. The roots of astrology go back to ancient Mesopotamia and Egypt. Astronomy became an independent scientific discipline, thanks to scientists such as Copernicus and Galileo. Since the 17th century, astrology ceased to be considered a scientific discipline. The main goal of astrology is to predict human behavior and events based on the positions of stars. Astronomy uses telescopes and other scientific instruments. In astrology, zodiac signs and planetary positions play an important role. Astronomy studies the orbital movements of the Earth and other planets around the Sun. In astrology, an individual horoscope is drawn up for each person at birth. Astronomy as a science is based on precise measurements. Astrology is primarily based on symbolic interpretations and predictions. Astronomy studies stars, planets, galaxies, and black holes. In astrology, there are 12 zodiac signs, each of which describes certain character traits. Astronomy allows us to accurately study and predict the movements of the planets in the solar system. Astrology suggests that the phases of the moon and the positions of the planets influence human life and behavior. In astronomy, mathematical models are used to predict the movements of the planets. Astrology predicts events through astrological forecasts. Astronomy studies the formation of stars and their life cycles. Types of astrological forecasts include daily, weekly, and yearly horoscopes. Astronomy also deals with the search for extraterrestrial life. In astrology, each planet is associated with certain character traits. In astronomy, telescopes make it possible to observe stars located at great distances. In astrology, each sign of the zodiac is associated with the elements of nature: earth, water, air, or fire. Astronomy plays an important role in the search for exoplanets outside the solar system. Astrology studies the movement of celestial bodies to determine the fate and events in a person's life. Astronomy aims to explore outer space and its expansion. Astrology claims that planets and stars can predict the future. Astronomy observes cosmic phenomena, such as the movement of meteorites and comets. In astrology, certain combinations of celestial bodies are of particular importance. Astronomy provides data for the development of spacecraft. Astrology suggests that important events in a person's life are associated with certain astrological configurations. Astronomy gives us the opportunity to study the history of the formation of the solar system, galaxies, and the entire universe. Some types of astrology have developed over the centuries in different cultures. Astronomy and astrology have different goals and use different methods. Astronomy is based on the scientific study of cosmic objects, while astrology attempts to predict the future and the behavior of people based on the positions of celestial bodies. Over time, these two disciplines separated and each found its own place in the world.